Have you ever wondered what life is like on a cruise ship? What do geocachers do when they are trapped at sea without any geocaches or events? We are here to unpack the mystery and let you decide if a cruise ship is the place for geocachers on this episode of LANMonkey's Geocaching Adventures. Throughout this season, we've taken you to a variety of beautiful and memorable tropical locations on our Landshark's geocaching adventure cruise, but what happened each night after we got back to the ship? What on earth, or, water, could we possibly do on the dreaded sea days? Let's unpack the mystery around geocaching cruises starting from, well, the start.
We're on the ship. We're on the ship. Hey, we're on the ship.
What happens when 70 geocachers get together on a cruise ship, have a whole lot of fun? Well, let me show you. And so if we just go around the corner, we can see there's everybody. We got a big group of geocachers. Everybody's all hanging out. We're having fun.
The fun was had in the crow's nest. Perched at the top level of the ship, this coffee shop and library was devoid of crows, but had some shiny things. Cool interactive displays to provide information about the ship and research our ports of call for the days ahead. No, turn it the other way. No, turn it. There you go. Okay, that's where we're going, right there. And hey, while you're trapped at sea and can't geocache, why not use the interactive map to dream about where you might escape to next and share those ideas with others on your voyage. Midship on the upper decks, you could always go for a dip and try to relax while people filmed you, or you could explore the lower decks, seeking embarrassing situations.
The lights on the stairs kind of make it like it's a Broadway show.
The other high-stepping artistry was the eclectic art found in each of the three stairwells. RCA777 thought that all of this art would make for a great scavenger hunt, so on one of the sea days, the geocachers split into teams and competed in a fun race to find the art that matched the clues we were given. Like this one. Wait for it. Pretty cool, right?
Nobody got everything, but one team got one wrong. A couple of teams got two wrong. Okay? And a couple of teams, well, they showed up. Chris, Helen, Jay, and Laura. They only got one wrong, but it's the same one that everybody got wrong. And there's a reason for that, because I'm a bit of a jerk. There's a painting on the ship that says Library of Congress on it. So thank you for taking pictures of all of the library. That's really nice.
And all of that up and down the stairs works up an appetite, so let's see how the monkeys clean up for dinner. At the stern is the dining room where we all gathered nightly for decadent delicacies and fun friends before heading out to the onboard entertainment. Off to the bow of the ship to the theater, which spans 2 decks and seats hundreds with a multimedia display and a variety of entertainment options. But if the lights, dancing, and comedy isn't your scene, head midship in the evening to enjoy the dueling piano bar, where we could be found almost every night enjoying the pinnacle of pianist perfection. That's piano playing. Never mind. Whether we were wrapping up a sunny day or warm tropical night ashore in various exotic locations, there was still plenty to do aboard the ship. So, tell us in the comments below, do you think a cruise ship is a place for a geocacher?
We hope you've enjoyed Season 3 of Geocaching Adventures. Season 4 is almost ready. Please like, subscribe, and make sure you ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventures. A special thanks to our patrons who made this and future episodes possible. If you'd like to know more about the cool perks of being a patron, check out this link. Season 4 will bring us to a variety of cool Northwest locations with some great geocaching friends. Don't miss an episode. Subscribe today.